So what's going to be the best screen protector for the iPhone SE? In this video, we'll compare products from Zagg, Spigen, OtterBox, Whitestone, Belkin, TechArmor, FLOLAB, and JetTech. And out of all those products, these are the top 3. That's the conclusion that Monty, Val, and I have come to after testing each one of these screen protectors for their install tools, fit/coverage, impact, and scratch protection. And MobileReviewsEh, Monty, Val, and me, I base our reviews on actual usage. For this video, I spent $300 of my own money to buy all these screen protectors that I put on an iPhone, took off, and then broke. But that's okay because we're reviewers, not influencers, so help us keep our jobs as reviewers by getting whatever screen protector you choose in this video through my links. Let's talk about installation. Now before we could do anything to the screen protectors, we had to install them all. The easiest to install was the Zagg product because of their double-tabbed sticky system and tray. It's just easier to make adjustments with that product as you're laying down glass. Now I honestly thought like the name brands with their trays, like the ones from OtterBox as well as the one from Belkin, would be way easier to install the product, but that was completely untrue, which was kind of weird. I really like the simplicity of a tray that fit. And so, you know, the adjustable trays from the OtterBox, because they want to save a bit of money in the manufacturing process, didn't work out for me. Now you may have picked up on me making fun of, you know, fit. This TechArmor, the tray with this product did not fit the iPhone. So really, what's the point of that chunk of plastic in this product? So here's how all the other screen protectors in this video ranked in terms of installation ease. The worst product in terms of install is the Whitestone dome glass. It requires you to add adhesive by yourself, which results in a stronger product, but it is also very involved and smells bad. Honestly, tech accessories should be easy to use. This Whitestone dome glass is not. Now I know it looks silly installing on a piece of rock, but we've done it for a reason, which we'll explain in the next section. What's next, Monty? You don't have a tie! Fit and coverage. When it comes to fit and coverage, there's two things. There's overall coverage and then the size of the hole where your thumb goes, or other fingers. In general, the more coverage that a screen protector has, the more protection it's going to offer the device. Oh. So this is the Whitestone dome glass, and the reason why it's on a piece of rock is because the tool that I use for impact, and you'll see in a couple minutes, actually goes through the glass when I press on it really hard, so I didn't want to damage the iPhone in it. But this Whitestone dome glass has the largest coverage in terms of dimensions, width and length. Now, it also has one of the largest cutout, so that just kind of negates the benefit of having an extra large piece of glass. But the reason why I think that happens is because the install process requires you to pour adhesive onto your iPhone and then lay a piece of glass on top of it. So the bond between the glass and the iPhone with the Whitestone dome glass is much stronger than, say, something like this, which is one of the last OtterBox ones that I tested. Now, combining the scores for the size of the cutout and the overall coverage, the top 3 screen protectors end up being the Spigen Glass Line, the FLOLAB NanoArmour, and the JetTech and Whitestone tying for 3rd. As a side note, both the Spigen and FLOLAB products have glass that go around the entire home button, the other two do not. So one of the things I realized with the Belkin screen protector is just how very little glass you actually get to cover your iPhone with. Like there's a giant notch cutout at the top, and the cutout for the Touch ID is actually much larger than the average screen protector. So you don't actually get a lot of glass for this product. Whoa, almost dropped my iPhone. One of the things I also tested in this video was, you know, how much adhesive these products had, and this JetTech product didn't actually have enough adhesive along the sides of the product to stick to the iPhone. So really, what's the point of having more glass if you don't put enough glue on it so that it sticks on the iPhone? Like that's a deal breaker for me. I am going to show JetTech and other varying, you know, rankings for the other parts of this video, but generally, you're rolling the dice when you're going with a cheaper product. What's next? Is it impact protection? KO! Now, if you've been with my channel long enough, you'll know that I used to test with a steel ball named Bertha to crack my glass. Now, Bertha has gone into semi-retirement / gone through a metamorphosis and has come out as this fancy force meter with a pointy tip. That is Bertha 2.0. Basically, I took each screen protector in this video, laid it on a piece of granite, and smushed the screen protector with Bertha 2.0. I did this at least 3 times with each screen protector, and the neat thing is that the first break is almost going to be the hardest to do, and the subsequent breaks just being easier, which is something I knew was going to happen, but I actually couldn't couldn't prove it with Bertha 1.0. Anyways, the top 3 products when it comes to impact are the Zagg Glass Elite, FLOLAB NanoArmour, and the Whitestone Dome Glass. On average, it took 260 newtons to break the glass of the Zagg, 253 for the FLOLAB, and 243 for the Whitestone. So surprisingly with the Whitestone Dome Glass, because of how the adhesive is actually, it's a way stronger adhesive than stuff from like OtterBox or any other screen protector in this video, is that there is much less cracking. So if you look at this OtterBox, press down on once, it does this entire spider web thing. But with the dome glass, it doesn't, which is kind of neat. And I'm gonna guess it's because of the adhesive. Now, is the product better? The glass, I think, is just normal tempered glass. I don't think it's anything special. Here's how the other products stacked up. That's right, the Belkin Invisible Glass came dead last, which is crazy because this is Corning 2 glass. This is chemically treated glass, and it performed worse than this JetTech stuff and this Tech Armor stuff, which is not chemically treated. This is just tempered glass. This is supposed to be premium glass, so I'm not quite sure what happened, but don't buy this product. Also, it says it increases drop protection performance up to 25%. I call bullocks. Do you call bullocks? Now, if you're finding this video useful, please get your products through our affiliate links or support us through Patreon. Support Monty through Patreon. If you haven't noticed, at no point have I pulled you aside and tried to pander unrelated products to you, like a website builder or a video game. I don't like this video, so I'm not going to do that in mine. When it comes to screen protectors, most companies will market to the graphite scale and not the MoA scale, which is basically like saying that my 11-year-old Mazda 3 can go from 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds, but that's in kilometers per hour, not miles per hour. Hi, Monty. Anyways, these 2 products scratched at a soft 6, these 2 scratched at a hard 6, soft 7, and the rest of them scratched at a hard 7. Now, all of these products will protect your iPhone screen from, keys and coins and stuff, but anything harder than that, like, the mysterious grungy parts in your pockets, will result in your screen protector scratching. Now, one of the things that is kind of odd to me is, despite being 2 times as anti-scratch on the Alpha Glass and 5 times on the Amplify Glass, both these products scratched at 7. So I don't know what marketing fluff they're basing it on. The Amplify Glass is tougher, so maybe that's part of it. But using my Mo's pick, yeah, they both scratched at basically the same level. Hi, Monty. Now, I do have to point out that scratch resistance is directly related to how long your screen protector is going to last, because the more scratches your screen protector has, the higher chance it's going to crack. And when it cracks, it looks grody, and when it looks grody, you're going to replace the screen protector. So you got to find this balance between good scratch resistance, good price, and easy to install. Anyways, the only screen protector that I personally have ever used that doesn't scratch on the MoA scale at 9H is the Shelrus Sapphire screen protector, but they don't make a screen protector for the iPhone SE just yet, which is a little sad. Anyways, congratulations on getting up to this point. We're going to talk about the overall ratings. Now, if we sum up the standings for each product, the FLOLAB NanoArmour comes out on top, followed by the Zagg Glass Elite and the Spigen Glass line. Those are my recommended products. Oddly enough, I do have to point out that the FLOLAB didn't actually come out on top in any of the categories, but is the most consistent in terms of quality. Next up are the products that I'd only get on sale, and they'd have to be an amazing sale, which include the OtterBox Amplify Glass, Alpha Glass, and the Whitestone Dome Glass. These products have decent quality, but they're a little overpriced from my perspective. Now, I know a lot of people are fervent fans of Whitestone because their adhesive is generally better. It is tougher, but the problem with this product is that glass breaks. A glass screen protector is a consumable, and so once it breaks, you have to be able to remove it. This is an OtterBox, I think it's Amplify, the cheaper one, so I can easily just peel that off after it cracked off that stone. For this white stone, like this, is going to be so hard, and while you're doing it, shards of glass are coming off like nobody's business. Right? And so this, to me, is a big problem, because this is, first of all, very dangerous. And second of all, it's just not, it's just tech accessories should be easy to deal with. That is not easy to deal with. Like, it's so, why? And the final group of products that you should definitely stay away from is the Belkin Invisible Glass, the JetTech, and the Tech Armor. These two are cheap. You do get what you pay for. This one's expensive. I'm so disappointed with this product because I loved it when I was using my iPhone 8, which is basically the iPhone SE on steroids. But I don't know, the quality must have changed because this is not a good product anymore. So last thing I want to talk about is the potential warranty that some of these companies claim to have if you were to break your screen protector. Now Belkin just outright said, no, you're SOL. Go spend more money to buy another tiny screen protector from us or from Apple. Other companies like Zagg, I know they've got a pretty good program for replacing a broken screen protector. You have to register your thing. I bought this one through Best Buy, and the lady I bought it from said that if you break it, bring it back. We can figure stuff out. That wasn't the case because every single time I call Best Buy, they just tell me, go to the website. And that really bothers me because you call a place hoping to talk to somebody. So if I can't talk to anybody, what's the point of the phone number? And it's kind of the same with this OtterBox product, is that I contacted their customer service on Facebook. They're like, yeah, we've got a warranty thing. Go to this link, fill out the form. I filled out the form. They tell me to call a number. I call the number and the number tells me, the robot on the other end of the line says that there's nobody in the customer service thing. So go back to the website and fill the form, which the form tells me to go call the number. And so it's just, frick. You give a company money, you should get some sort of customer service, but no, you just get a phone number and you just get into the circle. Like this Whitestone dome glass, I bought directly from whitestone.com. I tried registering this product and they rejected the registration because, well, I have no idea. I'm assuming it's because I went and ticked the local store section in their product registration form thing because they didn't have whitestone.com listed in the potential places that I can buy this product. So, you know, it's like 30 bucks, I think, 40 bucks for this, and it's $20 worth of shipping to get it to me, and I can't register it. I bought it directly through you, Whitestone. Do you get what I'm putting out here? I'm a little frustrated. The last company that has an RMA program is going to be Spigen, and their thing is you pay 10 bucks or shipping, whatever it is, however much it costs to ship, and they'll send you one back at 50% cost. Not cost, sorry, 50% off. And so that's not bad. So it's just, you have to keep in mind that glass will break. Screen protectors are consumables, so don't be that upset. Like I am right now when you try to contact the company to see if they have an RMA program or a replacement program. So, yeah. So that's all I got for this video. Questions, comments, leave them down there. First time watching my videos, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button because every single time I put a video on YouTube, that means you get to watch Monty and listen to me. Because that's, honestly, we know that's what you guys do.